Meet Overtime Sims. Overtime runs his own business. When he initially launched, he was so proud of his first sale. More sales followed, and Overtime Sims was a happy guy. He stayed that way for a while, but over time, something changed. Although Overtime Sims was making sales, they remained flat. No matter what he did, it seemed like he couldn't grow his business as much as he wanted to. Overtime was bummed out because his competitors didn't seem to have the same problem. In fact, they seemed to be getting the sales that Overtime had been missing out on. At first, Overtime struggled to figure out how to improve his sales until he heard about KM Agency's digital marketing solution. It was a comprehensive three-pronged approach that tackles search engine optimization, pay-per-click ads, and conversion optimization for long-term qualifiable growth. With search engine optimization, or SEO, more potential customers will be able to find Overtime's business in Google and Bing search results. Bringing his website way more traffic, pay-per-click or PPC ads will help him do the same thing by targeting great prospects with professional, high-quality ads so that he can entice more leads to visit his website. And the conversion optimization experts will review Overtime's website analytics to determine where his sales were dropping off, so that they can suggest site improvement. Overtime Sims liked the thought of all of this, but what he enjoyed hearing even more was that KM Agency focused relentlessly on growth. After making the changes they discussed, the KM Agency will monitor his website analytics and continue to make strategic suggestions, helping his business continuously improve and grow month after month. Because KM Agency had over 5 years of experience in digital marketing and plenty of enthusiastic customer reviews, Overtime thought it would be worth a shot. Fast forward a year later, today Overtime Sims' business is doing great. He no longer worried his competitors are getting customers he missed out on. Instead, he's pretty sure that he's grabbing their customers. And with higher sales, more money in the bank, and greater peace of mind, Overtime's feeling really happy again. Be like Overtime. Visit KM Agency's website at kenwoodmarketingagency.com or call today 410-622-1505 to set up a free digital marketing consultation and learn how we can help your business achieve long-term measurable goals. I'm Overtime Sims, and I approve this message.